Hi everybody. We got some questions about putting NA in and making sure that it shows up on the report card. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to grading and make sure you go to standards. And if we want NA to show up on the report card, the grades don't actually get pulled from here. They get pulled from here. So we want to go to that 3 and go to codes, override the code, save it, and make sure that everything in the standard section, again I'm in the standard section, not the traditional section. Make sure that says that. Go to recalculate final grades. Click on that. Make sure that standards final grades is checked off. Recalculate. And then once it says that, you should be able to go to students. Click on report card. Click on generate report cards. And for this student, you will see that he now has an NA where you want it. So again, grading, standards, go over to the standard, click in the box, put the code in, save, go to the gear up in the top right, recalculate, click on standards, recalculate, then you should be all set. If you have any questions, come say hi. Thanks.